Ever wondered what secret fuel Wimbledon champions rely on during their grueling matches? In 1988, during the peak of her career, tennis legend Steffi Graf was seen consuming a peculiar mix courtside. The concoction, later revealed to be a blend of bananas and honey, was Graf's go-to energy booster. Nutritionists soon discovered that this simple yet potent combination provided a quick source of carbohydrates and potassium, essential for muscle function and endurance. Graf's reliance on this natural energy snack not only fueled her incredible stamina but also paved the way for its adoption by other elite athletes. This seemingly mundane snack became a game-changer, proving that sometimes the most unassuming ingredients can power extraordinary feats. As the story of Graf's secret spread, it highlighted the profound impact of healthy nutrition on sports performance, inspiring athletes to seek natural, effective ways to enhance their game.